Well, this is Behind the Wrenches with Zach and Randy. We're actually in the shop today.
Yep.
And we got my C10. It's a 1985 Chevy C10 two-wheel drive short bed. Ain't nothing special about it. Today we're going to I'm throwing some different rims and tires on it. Rhett, if you look from the back side here, we already got one tire on the other side. We wanted to bump out some fatter wheels and tires. And see, we went to a 10 wide on it. But I was always trying to figure out what wheels and tires work the best on these trucks. And what we're talking about today is offset and all sorts of stuff. So these are the rims that were on the back. Narrow, little, whatever. I think I found them on Facebook for like $100. So everyone's talking about offset and backspacing and all that other stuff. You can find anything online. A factory rim for a C10 is a 5-inch backspacing with 0 offset. Now backspacing, in case anyone wants to know, is the center line of the hub face to the rim. So on a factory wheel, they're saying on a factory 8-inch wide rim, now it's an aftermarket rim, but it's same as a factory rim. The center of the hub is 5 inches from the back lip of the rim, is what a factory one is. Actually, I apologize, a factory one's like 4 to 5. Mm-hmm. So anyways, I was on the internet, I was trying to find what rims and tires would run on the back. I wanted a fatter tire, more aggressive look on the back. And I couldn't find anything that was definitive, anything that no one could give like, hey, run this setup, it works good. So I just had to guess. So what I did was, these are the rims we got. And these rims, they're a Vision wheel. And I actually got them from Jegs. They're about $179 a rim. And these are a 10 wide wheel with 5-inch backspacing, -12 offset. So if you have a C10 and you want a little more aggressive look in the back, this wheel seems to be the best. We've seen the other side already. It fits in the fender well nice. And we're gonna throw this rim and tire on and show you. You know, we got a lot of room right here. Of course, the truck's up on a hoist right now. But right now, this is a narrow wheel. We got a lot of room here and here. So we're gonna buzz this off of here and put the other one on. Just give you an idea what it looks like.
This will give you an idea what you're looking at for a C10. You know, this has got a lowering kit on it, don't it?
Yep, this truck has got a 4.6 drop kit on it.
So if you've got a C10, you can use this as reference, you know,
so
get you an idea.
It's a 10 wide wheel and the tire is a, what did I go with for tires on this thing?
It was a 275 60 15.
Yeah, 275 60 15. And this, there's a thing on the internet you can jump on there. It's a tire calculator. This is a 28-inch tall tire that's 10.9 inches wide. So, and it seems to fit real well in these fender wells. Give you an idea, now we got lots of room and we still got enough clearance to the leaf spring. So if you're looking for a little more aggressive look on your C10 and you don't want to run anything bigger than a 15, I went with 15s because the front, these were factory 15s on this thing.
I think that's a really kick-ass rim.
I think it is too. It mimics a factory wheel.
It looks nice.
Now we'll just buzz this one on here quick and I'll show you what the center cap is. Now what's cool about the center caps on these wheels is you can actually switch back to the GM center caps on these. Now I'm using the Vision ones that came with it, but you can put Chevrolet ones back on it if you want to.
Yeah.
So, click, click, torqued.
Yeah. He will be torquing him before he takes it down the road.
Before he takes it down the road.
He's gonna
we'll throw this center cap
worry
on
about his baby.
Right. We'll set this thing on the ground. Randy, you want to do that latch on the other side? We'll set it on the ground. Like I said, these center caps, they're identical to the Chevrolet center caps that come factory on these trucks. They will fit right on here. These are the Vision ones that come with the rim. We'll lower this thing down and show you guys what it looks like while it's sitting on the floor. And see all the room that we have. All right, let's lower down and take a look at it. Like I said, this truck does have a 4.6 drop on it. So, not the greatest truck in the world as far as pretty wise, but you know what? It's not about, yeah, take time, make yourself look nice, but you know what? It's a driver truck. We get to have fun with it, drive down the road. It's a fun truck to drive.
Yep.
And there she is on the ground. We got tons of clearance right here. We can fit our hand in there just fine. It looks good front to back. Tons of clearance.
Looks good.
Looks good on the truck.
Does.
And it gives it a better, more aggressive stance in the rear.
You get the other ones matching, you'll be this really make the truck look good.
Yep. We got about, with the tires and the rims, there's about $750 into it, is what it is. So that's what it costs to run 10 wides on your C10.
What are you doing for the front? You gonna do 8s or 10s?
For the front, I'm gonna run an 8-inch rim or an 8-inch wide rim in the front and the same Vision wheels, so they all match.
Yeah.
So, and I'm gonna run a 15-inch wheel so I can reuse the tires that are on there.
Okay.
They'll still match and look good.
Okay.
So, just a fun truck, just a fun driver truck that's got a little more aggressive stance to it now.
Yep. All right.
So, if you're looking for a C10 idea for your wheels and tires, Vision wheels, 5-inch backspacing, -12 offset. They bolt right on the truck. They look good. They don't hit nothing. And then run a 265, 75, 15-inch tire on, or 275, 60, 15-inch tire. And they look good in the fender well, and it drives down the road good.